finally part 4, and so I'm gonna get started with what I've stopped from the last part. And sorry if it's repeating a few parts, but yeah. So yeah, just enjoy this part, and I'm gonna show you my last box for this. So yeah, again, no descriptions are for sale or for trade. So yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so let's get started. You know how it's magnets, but you can't see it. And this, I have this Hinari tofu, not very squishy, but good to have. And it has that license. Then I have this ice cream. Then I have this popsicle. Popsicle. I have this foot, this chapeau, this star, this red one, this Gale, this other orange one. I have this light bone. I don't know who will collect this, but my cousin just gave this to me for free, which I really appreciate because like people want this, but yeah. This tart, and this tart. This chapeau. Let me just put it down. The sausage. This sausage. Okay. I have this sausage. And these two. I have One Piece characters. I have this one. Open packaging for some reason. This guy, I don't really know who it is. Yeah. I only know this one. This one is Numi. Squishiest one. And there was only one more Numi right there, but there are a couple of defects. There. And at the back. So yeah, I have this burger. I have this cake. Okay, all the cakes have magnets. This cake. I'm not gonna explain a lot. This Subway sandwich. This cake. This cake. Oh my god, this cake. Oh no! Styrofoam balls. Weird. Okay, this cake. Sorry about my foot over there. There you go. Okay. This cake and this cake. Then I have banks. Okay, sorry about that. This ice cream bank. This hot dog, this one what happened. This hot dog and this Hello Kitty. Squishy bank. The bottom is not squishy, but the top is. I have this bank, which is the softest one. This cake. This bank, not cake. And last but not least, this thing. So yeah, see you guys in the next part. Bye guys! My rare squishy, this Angry Birds toast. And let me just lower it down first. So later, if it gets too much, then I will just expand it. I have this Minions tall toast, not for trade or for sale, obviously. I'm trying to use up most of the space. This one. And I have the red Angry Bird. Then I have this tortoise bread. Really cute. Just want to put this on top here. I have... This is more of the ones that I really like. I have this one. Melon pan one. Put this over here. And then I have this one, which is also really squishy. I got this for free from my cousin. So like that. I got this Hello Kitty toast. Also got this other Hello Kitty toast. It's the same design, just at a different angle, I guess. I have this moon cakes, different designs, 3 different designs. I have two extra designs. Doubles. I have this hamburger, and I have this hamburger. Sorry. I have this chocolate turtle, which has a little bit of a weird thing here. It's like color on top and it's not color at the bottom. I don't know. It's a weird thing. So let me just keep this inside here, and I'll keep this in front. Then I have this pink one, and this one doesn't have the discoloration, just like a little bit. And I have the white one. I'm pretty sure these two are the same one, just that this one is a bit lighter than this one. Then I have this these 2 minion toasts. This one's softer than this one. So yeah, just so you know. I have this croissant. All capsule machine from capsule machines. I have this mantou. The back of this is really defected, but I got this for free from my cousin again. I got this one, which is not defected. Really squishy. I have this cake roll, Cheshire cake roll, with a huge rib in the middle, but I really like the color inside. It's really nice. Defected again, but I don't really mind. Again, because this is rare, and I got this from my cousin for free. I guess I'll just put this over here. Then I have this Jackie chocolate bar. Let me focus on this because this is, yeah. Really defected on the chocolate. And the back has a ton of rips. But it's really squishy. I don't really mind. So yeah. I have this egg tart. It's already 4 minutes, so I'm just gonna quickly finish. This Mr. Rilakkuma. Just cover this, okay? Just Rilakkuma cuter. I have this Nameko, huge tag compared to the mushroom. Beets red. Whoops, sorry about that. And this Nameko robot. So cute. I have this starfish, and this starfish. This was the only one I've read. This is red. These 2 are brown, and this one is the softest one. So really cute. This tiger bun. Oh my god, there's a lot of air in it. So squishy, but there are defects that I got from my cousin. At the back, there are some rips, like real rips, not cracks. Don't get me wrong, I love squishies. Yeah, I have this cake. Squishy. So I have this donut, really soft. Green one, not donut. I don't really know. Tart. I have this one. So squishy. Just angle this up here. Yeah. Okay, I have this one. Okay, then let me just put this here a bit. Okay. I have this one. Okay, so I have this one. I'm gonna go a bit quicker. I'm really sorry, I'm taking a big time. And I have this one. This one's really squishy. This one. Ew, ew, ew. Give me a tissue. Give me a tissue, seriously. Come on. Get me a tissue. Give me a tissue. Get me a tissue! Oh my god. Ew. I have this. Ew. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. Okay. I'm sorry I'm covering the camera with my hair. I'm really, really sorry. Ew! Yuck! My squeeze toy is giving out like liquid. I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. I have this octopus, and I have this starfish one. So yeah, let me clean my hands off. Ew, ew, ew. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Gosh. Thank you. Thanks. I have this onsen bun. Really hard to see the face. And I thought it was a great deal to buy it for my cousin. Because this is a rare squishy. Package licensed. I'll save my biggest for last. I have this crab. Crab, this seal, this other crab, and I have one more. No, I have two more. Sorry. And I have this chick, and then I have this cow. Next, I have this real Kuma waffle, this Gorilla Kuma crepe. This, then I have this one, and then I have this chocolate one. I have this Minnie Mouse donut with a defect, and I have this Mickey donut with a defect, I think. I got this donut sticker. It's a sticker. It's on a sheet. So I'm gonna take it out and show you guys, just so you know. I'm just gonna leave it in here. Can you see a sheet over here? See a sheet in there, right there somewhere. Sorry, it's really hard to let you see if you can't see it. It's right there. So yeah. That is so squishy. So yeah. Oh my god. They have this Christmas one. It's egg. Gorilla Kuma squeeze toy. Snoopy ice creams. I have this egg. I have this egg.